This video is also on the installation. This is just some of the final settings that are available with the Laser Credit Access app. So for this, we're going to go back to the app launcher, Laser Credit Access, configuration page, and then additional settings. And under additional settings, we have a few things that you can use if you'd like. One of the biggest errors that people get is no record found. No record found frequently is mistyping, not putting the right amount of characters in, leaving something off, or not putting a zip code in. So this can, what the app will do is you can check these and it will throw an error for the user before it sends that credit request to check if the field is not completed properly. It doesn't know, if it's a good address or a good zip code or anything like that, but it will check to make sure that that is completed. It does help because no record found, when a request goes out and it's missing something and it comes back no record found, it's frequently the address, the zip code, or what have you that was entered incorrectly. So good thing to think about. Redirect to the personal credit report object when you hit the button or you send however you're sending that request for the credit report. It'll open up the credit report itself, the credit report object. If that's unchecked, it will just go back to the object that it started with, and you can open the credit report from there. Protecting the personal credit report from changes. This is a standard. It's to keep anybody from making any changes to the personal credit report. If you uncheck it, you can make changes. There is very few times you want to make any changes, but there are, and we had one use case for it where I believe it was the name, the way the credit report name came up or something like that. So it wasn't able to be changed, so we added that. If this is checked here, create a personal credit report on no record found. If you want the personal credit report object to be created anyway, and the error no record found, you can have that. If this is unchecked, you'll get the credit report log with no record found as an example. Trended data is only available for some customers, depending on who your credit provider is. Run the OFAC status with the credit report. So if this is checked and you hit the get credit data button, it'll run the OFAC status and the credit report at the same time. This checkbox will eliminate the OFAC, the credit report check if the credit report doesn't match, if the match is not found. It will only run if there's no match found. So if you have a potential match, it doesn't run the credit report. The thing to be concerned about there or to watch out for is that if you get a lot of potential matches or some things that are just, aren't correct, you could get, stoppage in your workflow. And if you just want to redirect to that, OFAC status object, it's possible. Two more quick things. The inquiry on your PDF is based on the number of inquiries that you told your credit provider you wanted. So if it was inquiries in the last 120 days, how you set it up, that's what shows on your PDF. However, in the app, we get all the credit inquiries that are available. So that your inquiry number might be a mismatch, so you can manually change it here. If you only want the last 120 days, 24 months, whatever it might be, you just add it here and it'll match your PDF. And you get, the last thing is, if you're doing the OFAC status, we show you how to get a token from the Treasury Department, and that allows you to run your own OFAC status reports. Thank you.